Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this smoky eye look that you see right here. I asked on Instagram stories if I should film a colorful look or like a smokier brown look, and you guys chose the smokier brown look, which, you know, I'm not mad at. Y'all came through for me because I actually love how this look turned out. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe down below to my channel right now, and also hit the little notification bell. That way when I upload a video, you get notified and all that good stuff. But without further ado, we are gonna just jump right into today's smoky makeup look. Alright, so today I'm going to be working with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia and a little bit of the KARITY Rose All Day palette. But the first shade I'm going in with is Orange Soda, and I'm using a Morphe R38 brush to apply this all over the outer corner, my crease, and even my inner corner as well. I'm really going to build up and blow out this shade. And I have loose setting powder on my under eye area, that way it can catch any fallout since we are doing like a darker look today. And I'm even gonna take it, like I said, out on this outer corner, really blowing it out. Alright, the next shade I'm jumping in with is Dusty Rose, and I'm using the same brush and applying it the same way I applied Orange Soda. And it's important that you bring it over to this inner corner as well. And we're gonna go kind of crazy with all the eyeshadows. We're not doing a half cut crease or any type of cut crease today. We're gonna do a really nice, pretty blended look. So we're gonna be going in with all the shadows pretty heavy, and you don't have to worry about, you know, cutting or defining any area. Okay, before we start to deepen up the look, I'm gonna take the shade Tempera and highlight my brow bone. I'm going to take my R38 brush and kind of squeeze it to blend out where the matte shadows meet that shimmer on the brow bone. Next, I'm going to take the shade Sienna and a Luxie 231 tapered blending brush, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner and drag it on my crease and into my inner corner as well, just really blending out this shade, and I'm going to pack it on a few times too. And this color you want to keep as low as possible, because now we're going to start adding dimension, so it's important that we keep the darker shades lower and closer to the crease so we can have a nice gradient blend. And then going in with the R38 and just blending all of those colors together. The next shade I'm going in with is the shade Mulberry, and I'm using a Morphe M321 brush to apply this on the outer corner. That's where I'm mainly going to focus it, and then I will start to blend it slowly into the crease, but I'm not going to be dragging it in into the inner corner. Like I said, I'm not dragging it towards the inner corner, or I'm not going to bring it into the inner corner. I'm slightly dragging it, but I'm not bringing it anywhere past like the center of the crease. I'm going to take whatever is on this Luxie 231 brush and just blend out any harshness. Now with my finger, I'm going to take the shade Sultry and I'm going to apply it right on the center of the lid. I'm kind of keeping it closer to the outer corner, actually. I'm going to take the Morphe M138 brush and take a little bit of Mulberry and a little bit of this black eyeshadow and apply it on the outer corner. This is going to deepen up this area just a little bit. A little bit of Orange Soda and Dusty Rose on the brush, kind of bringing those blending colors back. Now I'm going to take the shade Brew, or I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's from the KARITY Rose All Day palette. I'm going to take one of these Stila little liquid eyeshadows. This is in the shade Smoky Storm. And I'm going to put a little bit of it on the back of my hand and then pat it with my finger onto my eyelid very gently. These add like a nice little touch of glitter, which I really like. On my lid, I'm going to take by Catrice one of their Precious Pigments. This is in Purple Fiction. And I'm going to gently pat it onto my eyelid. A very light wash of purple. So I'm not doing a wing today, but I'm going to take my NYX liquid liner and do one straight line across the lash line. And before I start to put on the eyelashes and finishing off the eye look, I'm going to start by taking a little bit of the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to start to really bring it on the outer corner. but I'm keeping it really, really low. You see, this is gonna help it look really nice and gradient. So I wanna pat it down first, and then I'll start to slowly blend it up. I'm using a Morphe M149 to blend it upwards. I'm gonna take a little bit of mulberry, gonna set it on top, and then blend it out. So for right now, we're good. I'm gonna take off this extra powder that we have to kind of start shaping out the eye. I really want to start carving that out a little bit. And we kind of got rid of sultry, so I'm gonna bring it back just a little bit. I'm gonna take some setting powder and just carve out this eyeshadow. For lashes today, I'm taking by iiKON lashes, the style MARILYN. These have been my favorite eyelashes recently, and I'm gonna apply them with some lash glue and just pop these babies on. Gonna apply some mascara really quick to my eyelashes. I forgot to do that. We're wiping away all the powder now, even on this side. And now we're gonna work on the lower lash line. You guys already know how this goes. I'm gonna do what I did on top, on the bottom, and we're gonna be connecting all the eyeshadows to the outer corner. From the KARITY Rose All Day palette, I'm gonna take the shade Clink and pop it right on my inner corner. I'm also gonna put it on my brow bone. We're gonna finish off the eyes with some mascara. And all the products that I'm using today are listed down below in the description. Alright friends, so we are almost done with this look. I did everything else off camera, as you can tell. So now we're gonna move on right to a lip color. And today I'm gonna take by Wet n Wild their liquid catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. Alright friends, and that's going to wrap up today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't chat with you guys too much in this tutorial. I was just really focusing on explaining how I achieved this smoky look. And I hope you guys are in love with this look just as much as I am. If you do like this look and you liked this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. And I'll check you guys out in my next one. Bye guys.